didn't need to build the Huracan Performante. The folks in Sant'Agata could have just rolled out another special edition Huracan, Superleggera, Tricolor, probably even Moscato, and sold every one. Instead, they gave the junior Lamborghini a trick-active aerodynamic system and updated everything, enabled by new levels of downforce and more grip from the latest generation of tires. And then just to prove it's not messing around, Lamborghini went out and set a new production car and Nürburgring lap record. The Huracan Performante is a statement. This is Lamborghini's way of saying that its future will not just be high-tech, but the kind that brings world-class performance. And it will be loud. Very loud. Sound is the most defining characteristic of this car. In the era of turbocharging, everything else is too quiet. Quiet is not a problem for performance. In track-ready crossovers, one of 3 settings, the exhaust drowns out everything, even your internal autopilot. And it's not just loud, it sounds like an honest to God race car. Making a V10 sound not just decent, but back-of-the-neck hair thrilling, would have been enough.